Hello, my friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Thank you very much, my friend. Please subscribe my channel. The new 2024 Toyota Prius, the Excellent and Extend, the 4K videos, so nice and fantastic. Toyota newly launching 2024 Toyota Prius Extend and Extension, the very excellent car Prius. Wow, the automatic system. The automatic system nicely. My studio, my guest, the car lover is very fantastic. She's a car lover. He just chooses the Toyota Prius the coming year 2024. The Toyota Prius, very excellent car. Wow, wow, fantastic. Wow, the silver color, golden color, white color. Wow, so nice and fantastic color. Wow, so nice and fantastic color. Wow, so beautiful. The X-Tour and Intour, the Toyota Prius 2024. Wow, so beautiful, fantastic, nice, and fantastic color. Wow, so beautiful. Toyota Prius, the 2024, the new launching the Toyota company, the nice and excellent car. The Toyota, the whole world currently buying the backside, then as like uh, America, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Holland, Netherlands, Portugal, Italy, France, Singapore, Malaysia, India, Thailand, Bangkok, Brunei, Vietnam, the worldwide, Japan, South Korea, the worldwide, the buying the Toyota. Toyota is a middle class budgeting price. So nice and fantastic color. The beautiful color. Wow. Toyota Prius, excellent and fantastic color. So beautiful Prius. Very excellent color. The automatic system. So beautiful and fantastic color. Wow, nice, fantastic. Wow, great. So beautiful. The outside, right side, left side, front side, the Toyota Prius, the excellent and fantastic. Great color, the nice and fantastic. The automatic system, driving system, the beautiful. Wow, the seat is so nice. The Toyota, the old world, the buying the very easy and smoothly. The middle class budget, the medium budget buying the Toyota car. The worldwide, Bangladesh, Singapore, India, Malaysia, Netherlands, Holland, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, Switzerland, Norway, Japan, Germany, America, the worldwide buying, the worldwide selling the Toyota car, Toyota Prius, very excellent in fantastic color 2024. Wow, so nice Prius, Toyota Prius. Wow, the color, wow, so beautiful color, the nice and fantastic, great. Wow, so beautiful color, outdoor, indoor, front side, back side, right side, left side, fantastic. The Toyota Prius, very excellent and fantastic color. Wow, so beautiful, nice and fantastic. Wow, great. So nice. My right side, the my office visit, the Mr. Thin, he's the car lover. I can videos the car reviews. If my right side, you can choose the lot of car, the new car name I provide, and thus the my videos. Today's is provide the Toyota Prius, very excellent car, new coming year 2024, very excellent and fantastic. Wow, so beautiful. Toyota Prius. Toyota Prius, very excellent, fantastic. Wow, great. Automatic system, driving system, so beautiful. Prius. Toyota Prius, very beautiful. Toyota Prius, the DTBs and Prius. This is the Toyota Prius, the nicely presentation. Toyota Prius look and this. The Toyota Prius, the world premiere of all new Prius in Japan. The Prius encoding and complete the resistance with is the throws and traffic saying as the driving promotion in cold front and the extend pack. The Prius has been evolved under the hybrid Reborn, X7 cylinder. What is the design and usually will the file in lab, which is the fast and send and capture driving performance. And Toyota aim was the create and the war will the condition as labor and this the new peers and the new peers inhabit the uncovered in the monoform and schedule there is the organized and company within and laws since within range and drive this is the create and a design that is accept and to since within then the greater and hybrid system and this session, the generation TNGA platform, the neo Prius drivers and controls and deep and performance make use the keep and driving. Toyota City Japan, the 2016 to here's the unable to new premiums the first and globally with the series the hybrid HBA model and launch and plug-in in hybrid ribbons and this the lot of picture and Toyota car the right side so nice picture yellow color silver color and this the coming with the trailing just in the 21st century the Prius in the first launching 1997 in the worldwide the first product the hybrid car the global Athens and the platform in the first time development Ebon injection the lot of information this is the Toyota so nice car the indoor system total engine system wow the great system total system so beautiful peers nice and fantastic the lot of picture I can show the view was caption wow so beautiful too nice color wow backside rear side oh silver color so beautiful color nice so beautiful fantastic wow lot of picture seat total system the lot of picture providing and Toyota thank you very much my friend please subscribe my channel your valuable comment like share